To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us solve one more problem. Okay, the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question. ABC Limited Company has sales of rupees 20 lakhs. Variable cost is 14 lakhs and fixed cost is rupees 4 lakh and debt of rupees 10 lakh at 12% interest. What is the operating and financial leverage? In this problem, they have given us this detail. This is an extra detail. They have given that debt of rupees 10 lakh at 12%. In previous problem, it was not there. This is the new thing. Let us see how to solve. First, you need to always take the sales. So here directly they have given the sales value is 20 lakh. From the sales you will deduct variable cost. Sales in the variable cost and deduct ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The variable cost is 14 lakh. So we get contribution. So when we minus variable cost from sales, we get contribution. Contribution here, the amount is 6 lakh. So 6 lakh rupees is a contribution. Now from contribution we need to reduce fixed cost. Contribution in the fixed cost ನಾವು reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How much is the fixed cost? Fixed cost is 4 lakh rupees. So that time we will get EBIT, or it is also known as operating profit. We get EBIT or operating profit. Contribution in the fixed cost ನಾವು reduce ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ EBIT ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ operating profit ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So here EBIT is 2 lakh rupees. Then from that if we reduce, here interest we need to reduce. So interest. Now see here, how much is the debt capital? Debt capital is 10 lakh. On that 12% interest. Debt capital ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 lakh ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 12% interest ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So 10 lakh into 12%. 10 lakh ಮೇಲೆ 12% ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will get 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, that time we will get EBT. EBT is also known as earnings before taxes. So how much is the EBT here? It is 80,000. So they have asked us to find in this problem, that is operating leverage and financial leverage. So here we will write the heading calculation of leverages. First one is operating leverages. So what is the formula for calculating operating leverages? Operating leverages equals contribution divided by EBIT. ಇದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಲೆವರೇಜಸ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. How much is a contribution? Contribution is 6 lakh. EBIT ಎಷ್ಟು? It is 2 lakh. So operating leverages, when we divide, we will get how much? We will get 3. So answer is 3 times. So 3 times is the operating leverages. Next we are supposed to calculate the financial leverages. So the formula to find the financial leverage is EBIT divided by EBT. To calculate financial leverage, the formula is EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT is 2 lakh and EBT is 80,000. So EBIT is 2 lakh and EBT is 80,000. So when you divide everything, you will get the financial leverages. So divide 2 lakh divided by 80,000. The answer is 2.5. So financial leverage is 2.5 times. This is the answer. Hope you have understood about. So you can take the screenshot of the question. I'll just. Yeah, you can take the screenshot now. So this is first we have to prepare the income statement. Then using the income statement, we need to calculate the operating leverages. From the operating leverages, after that we calculate the financial leverages. So in the question they have asked you to calculate operating leverages and financial leverages, and we have calculated that. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, please put in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts as soon as possible. If you have understood this class very well, then prepare nicely for your examinations. I'll meet you in the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.